Are you ready to do your 73 questions?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome. Alright, can you tell us, where did you fly from today?
Dubai.
How long was your flight?
13 hours.
And can you tell us your position?
I was MR2.
Okay. Can you explain what you had to do for that position?
We security searched half the galley.
Okay. And what did you do during your break time on board?
I slept for 3.5 hours.
Wow, that's a nice nap.
Yeah.
And have you gotten used to the safety demo?
Well, actually, it's on the video screen, but we do have designated spots we have to stand at.
Okay. And can you tell us, what is your favorite crew meal of all time?
All time. Well, I'm trying to be healthy, so I usually have vegetables and fish.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what is the funnest part of today's flight?
The crew.
Okay. And what was the most challenging part of this flight?
The most challenging would be how long the flight was.
What's your staff accommodation like?
I live in a shared accommodation provided by the company.
Okay. And how many roommates do you have?
I have 2.
Okay. Do you meet any Japanese colleagues?
Yeah, I have a group of lovely friends. Yeah, and I meet some on the flight as well.
Nice. What nationalities were your batch mates?
I had Malaysian, Italian, English, Australian, South African.
Awesome.
Yeah.
In one word, describe what training was like.
Intense.
Wow, that's a good word.
Yeah.
How long was the training for?
It was for 8 weeks.
Okay, and how many tests did you have to take?
More than 10, I'd say.
Wow. And how did you deal with the stress of training?
Well, we were new to Dubai, so on the weekends, like me and my batch mates, we would go out and discover Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a nice way to enjoy Dubai.
Yeah.
What did you find the most challenging during training?
To stay focused, taking in all the information and getting enough sleep before training. Yeah.
Okay. And what was the most fun part of training?
The simulators and also being with my batch mates as well.
Can you tell us your favorite makeup products?
I really like the SD Lorde Double Wear Foundation. It's in the shade 3W1 Tawny. Can you see it? Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite eyeshadow palette, I'm loving this Naked Heat from Urban Decay right now because we use a lot of browns, like nudes. So yeah, this has a lot of different colors.
And do you have any recommendation about one item that every single flight attendant should have?
This Evian facial spray. Yeah, but any brand will actually do because it's really good to moisturize your face during the flight. I use this brand Majorica from Japan.
Majorica.
Yeah, and the brush is like this. It's like makes your lashes really long. I use this eyeliner. This is also from Japan. It's called Heroin Make. Smooth liquid eyeliner, and it's waterproof. This Wycon blush. Wycon's from Italy. Yeah, they have really good makeup actually. And yeah, I use this one, and it's in the color Earth Flower 07. This highlighter is really good. It's hourglass, and it's euphoric strobe light. 言えなかった。
And can you tell us your favorite lips right now?
Lips. So I use this MAC liquid lipstick. It's actually called the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, and the shade is called Feel So Grand. Yeah.
And can you tell us what sort of products you use to style your hair?
I have this wax. It's called hair styling stick, Matomage. This one. It's from Japan, and it's like this. Yeah, I use this to matomeru. What's matomeru? Like slick back my baby hairs.
And finally, can you give us 3 advice for aspiring cabin crew?
I would say do your research on all the different airlines and see which one would suit you the most. Like, be prepared, know what you're in for, because it's not an easy job in the sense that it's physically tiring, with all the jet lag and traveling in different time zones, so and also being away from family and friends in a new environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you tell us how you overcame homesickness?
I don't get too homesick, but I do keep in contact with my family and friends often, and also I do the flights back home, so yeah, I get to see them actually.
Okay.
It's good.
And can you give us any advice on how to overcome time differences and being tired constantly?
Take vitamins, eat well. I actually sleep when I can. Yeah, you need to get rest when you're able to.
Okay. And would you say that you do a lot of exercise?
Yeah, so like on my layovers, I try to walk everywhere, so I can discover new places. Also, yeah, like little things like taking the stairs. But yeah, and I also used to dance, so I would do some exercises in my room.
That's awesome. And your final advice for someone wanting to become a flight attendant?
My final advice is, if this is your dream job, don't give up. Keep working hard until you get accepted. Yeah, stay positive. Yeah, good luck.
What's your go-to hairstyle?
A bun, because it's the quickest way to do my hair.
Awesome. So that is it for 73 questions. Thank you so much for being part of Cabin Crew Chat. 73 questions, Momo.
Thank you for having me, CabinCrewChat.
You're welcome. Alright, so where are you off to next?
Back to Dubai.
And that's another 13-hour flight?
Yes.
Wow. And what are you looking forward to going home?
Well, first of all is to get some sleep in my own bed.
Alright, well, I hope you have a great flight today.
Thank you.
I will see you hopefully next time again in Brisbane.
Yes, me too.
And that is it for 73 questions. Get ready with Momo! Emirates cabin crew, we have been waiting for so long to do a collab.
Exactly, yeah.
So, 幼なじみ there, we have been waiting to do this for such a long time, ever since we started this YouTube channel. So, if you have asked any questions on Instagram story, we will be doing that in part 2 of this series. So please make sure you subscribe right here, ding 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 ding, and then give us a like if you have enjoyed and want more of Emirates. Momo, お願いします。
Initially, I got accepted in September 2016.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about what sort of jobs you had before becoming a flight attendant? オープンデーはコンタクトで行った方がいいですか？
メガネかけてた。